This gym is very high ceiling, at least 30 feet high. So we're going to install here an 11 ceiling draping with lights with one chandelier. Here we are showing you how we install the mechanism behind the insulation to hold our ceiling draping 11 panels.
Bethany Church in downtown Kitchener. Wilma installing a chain to hold up our canopy.
Is going up to that tip with our retractable truck stick to go half the chin to that beam in there on the basketball net. You can see we do that. I don't go in the other side. It's okay. So now then we pull the wire, and that wire we attach to the chin. It's already there, right? Oh, are you okay? No. So we just did hang a chin over to that beam, the very top beam from the basketball net. So now we're gonna make another. We go across to this middle thing, and we have to make that beam up to the another beam here. So we're making a chin rope here, going to that side, this side. So now we're pulling to the chin, you know, to the chin. We're gonna bring that one down, and we can adjust here in the middle where to hang the canopy. I don't know, it's too high. We're securing in that hook there. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna push that middle hook here in the middle to the height that we want to hang the ceiling draping.
Now?
This is our canopy.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to have, we secure, run the beam to that side, and secure in the end. There.
So, Vilma, that thing is strong like a rock?
Yes, it's very strong. You can carry yourself in here and hang yourself.
Okay, good. We're done.
And adjust how droopy he wants the middle to hold the canopy. It depends in here, the adjustable here. How high we want to hang the canopy. We hang on the easy height for us to work in with the chandelier and everything. When it's there, we're pulling to the other end over to the beam of the net, basketball net. This one from there, now, that's fine. Yeah, we can pull in here.
So here, in order to attach each panel to the wall, we attach the C-clamp hardware. We tighten, if you can see, there's a slot of the concrete that exactly fit our C-clamp, and we tighten that. That's where hold the panels of each panel around the wall. And this is how it looked like. If you can see, there's a chin holding the middle part of the ceiling draping. That's where we hung the middle to the chin in order to hang our ceiling draping. Without the chin, we cannot do it. If this video interests you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.